The manufacturing sector in St. Kitts and Nevis is rebounding from the ravages of the COVID-19 pandemic, says Chairman of the Manufacturing Division of the Chamber of Industry and Commerce, Mr. Desroy Tate. The Manufacturing Division will be hosting its annual awards luncheon on Thursday at Marshall's Restaurant, where a number of its workers will be honored for sterling service over the years. SK Newsline spoke to Mr. Tate about some of the developments within the manufacturing sector in recent times.
We managed to make some inroads in terms of, with the assistance from the Chamber, in terms of reaching out to our members to ensure that we could continue the production. So we have, based on the assistance from the Chamber and the government, we were able to get special dispensation to continue with some aspect of our operations, because there are some critical and essential functions that are performed in the sector here. For example, at Harrow Server, you may be aware that a critical component that is used in the ventilators that were very important in the fight against COVID is actually manufactured here in St. Kitts. So we had to be able to continue our operation to supply these key components in the process that we are able to save lives. Also, the factory, that's Harrow Server, they were recognized by the U.S. government for the sterling contribution in the overall fight. So that is on one end in terms of what we would have done.
About the luncheon, Mr. Tate highlighted the importance of recognizing the contribution of its workers within the manufacturing sector.
As you are aware, we have the manufacturing sector as a part of the St. Kitts and Nevis Chamber of Industry and Commerce. We have a total of 13 members, and we started as being a division within the St. Kitts Nevis Chamber of Industry and Commerce in 1998. And over the years, we have tried to recognize, to reward our employees, because we understand the importance of this recognition for our employees. We have employees who have dedicated their entire lives to manufacturing here in St. Kitts, employees who are here for over 40 years, 50 years working in manufacturing. They join some of these companies and they spend the entire life. So we realize for us to remain sustainable and viable as a manufacturing sector here in St. Kitts, that we need to ensure that the employees, that we treat them right, and we congratulate them for the hard work, because without them we cannot have a sector here.
Interest, I think, since 2020 to present, we would have undertaken a series of surveys with both the manufacturing sector and our members to be able to ascertain how we can better serve them, what has been the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic upon each industry. Suffice to say that the manufacturing sector has demonstrated its resilience and agility, and more so, some of the insights coming out helping to inform how we're going to lend support to the manufacturing sector in the next 4 to 5 years as we roll out our development plan.
Mr. Tate encouraged the general public to support the manufacturing companies here by purchasing their products available locally. Andre Huey, SKN Newsline.